Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I'm going to try out a new palette today. I showed you over on my Instagram stories when I was doing unboxing, and the swatches of this palette were incredible, so I had to pull it out and use it right away. So this is the BH Cosmetics Mimosa eyeshadow palette, and look at how cute the packaging is, making me crave a mimosa. And then on the inside, look at how pretty this is. Super bright, so summery. I love all the pinks and the pops of yellows, so I was really excited to try this palette out and create something really bright, and this is the look that I created. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Mimosa eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm going into is Vibes. I'm picking the shadow up on my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm going to start sweeping that through my crease area all the way towards this inner part of my crease, and then doing circular motions to start blending out the shadow. I'm now going into Guava, and then switching over to my Sigma E25, and I'm going to start lightly, using just a really light hand, sweeping that through the bottom of my crease. I'm just using a light hand right now because the shadow is really bright and really pigmented, so I don't want it to get really harsh, so I'm holding the brush at the very end just so I have a little bit more control and it becomes nice and soft and blended out. Now picking up the smallest amount of Vibes again on my E38 and just applying that at the high point of my crease to help really nicely diffuse that out. Because it is a lighter pink, it's going to help blend everything nicely. I'm now picking up Pop. Now look at this shadow. It is so beautiful. So it's a pink with a gold reflect. So I'm going to start applying this on this outer third of my lid and kind of just pressing and swiping it so it gets really nice and intense. And then I'm going to apply this on this inner third. So I'm leaving the center without any shadow because I'm going to be applying another shadow there. But look at how pretty this shadow is. It is so beautiful. The reflect is stunning. I also kind of just tap a little bit at the very base of my crease, so it's going to help blend everything out. For the center of my lid, I'm picking up Champagne, and then now picking up this beautiful gold. I'm going to apply this in the center, and I feel like it's going to really nicely complement the other shadow because it has that gold reflect. And then I'm just going to tap back and forth to really help blend the shadows together. Now just taking my E25 and with nothing on it, I'm just going to tap into the crease and then lightly blend to make sure the shimmer blends into the crease area nicely. Picking up Vibes on my E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to start sweeping that along my lash line. And then going into Guava on the same E54 brush and just first concentrating this mostly on the outer corner, applying most of that pigmentation there. And then lightly start diffusing that inward and smoking that down. I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I'm going to line my upper waterline. And I'm now applying this on my lower waterline to kind of distract from the pink from being too close to my lower lash line. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Romanova Makeup Baby Girl Lashes in Lisa. And that's the eye look done. Now for my lips, I'm going to go into this Pixie Beauty Matte Last Liquid Lipstick in Bare Beauty. The shade is so pretty. I feel like it's going to be like my lips but better, so I'm really excited to try it out. And that is it. This is the completed look of my pink and gold halo smoky eye using the BH Mimosa eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. First of all, I have to start off by saying that this lip might be my new go-to nude. It is such a pretty shade. It honestly looks like my lip shade, but better. I love it. And it feels so comfortable, and it's matte, and it won't go anywhere, especially under a mask nowadays. And the eyeshadow palette is incredible. I mean, BH can honestly do no wrong. Their palettes are so good. They're great quality and inexpensive. You guys have to try them out because this palette was so pigmented and blended like a dream. And especially for being pinks, I always get so scared to use them because I'm worried that they might be too harsh and won't blend out, but it was amazing. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, along with the products that I used and my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!